In this fifth video, we'll cover the steps the dietitian can follow after the cooking demo. Step 1, clean up. Wash, dry, and put away the dishes and ingredients. If you moved any kitchen equipment out of the background before the demo, return them to their place. Step 2, attendance count. Log into your organization's Zoom account. Click on My Account, Reports, Usage. Find the cooking demo event that took place. On the right-hand side, there is a column for participants. Click on the number. Check off Show Unique Users, then click Export. Then you should have a list of names of staff members, older adults, and centers who attended your demo. Sort the list to separate the staff members, older adults and the centers. I like to put them on separate tabs. Review the chat to see if there were any centers who submitted their attendance information through the chat instead of clicking on the link. Compare the list of centers on the Zoom report to the names of centers submitted through the Google form. If there are centers who did not submit their attendance, provide those names to the moderator to contact those centers. Once all the centers have been contacted, combine the number of older adults watching the demo individually with the ones watching from the centers to get your total count of how many older adults were watching your demo. When my team first started doing cooking demos, we started with as low as 20 participants. In one of our most recent demos, we had over 600 older adults watching it live. Step 3, distribute. Distribute the cooking demo YouTube recording and the recipe card with community partners. Step 4, lessons learned. Document any issues that may have come up and consider how those issues can be resolved for next time. It can be helpful to discuss the issues with your team. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to view the videos on what the moderator can do before, during, and after the demo. With every demo, we are learning new ways on what to improve. Please refer to our written best practices to see our most updated steps. We hope these videos gave you some tips on how you can conduct a successful demo. Remember that with more practice, you'll become better and better at conducting these. Have fun and happy cooking.